Now what should we draw, Connor? What shall Grandpa draw? What do you want? A bus? Or an airplane? Airplane? An airplane, Connor?
Yes. Airplane.
Oh, okay, airplane. Here we go. Here's an airplane. Here's an airplane.
What's that? What did Grandpa make?
Airplane.
A what?
Airplane.
Airplane.
Airplane's going to fly fast. It's going very fast.
The bus.
And then we're going to do a bus?
Here's an airplane. Look at the airplane going, Connor.
The bus.
Another bus?
Yes.
We have so many buses.
Another bus, huh? I can't draw different ones.
Connor,
I draw a
nose-
double decker.
Where did the Kleenex go? Connor, wipe your nose. There you go. Wipe again.
We'll
You
do a
want to
double
wipe it a little
decker.
bit more? No? Okay.
We'll do a double decker bus this time, Connor. Double decker.
Double decker?
Yep, double decker.
Emily.
Yeah.
Emily.
Airplane? I thought you wanted a bus.
Emily.
Well, this is got to do the bus first.
Emily.
What do you want? A bus or an airplane?
Bus.
Bus. He has no idea what you're doing there.
The bus.
School bus?
School bus? Look at the bus, Connor.
The bus.
All done?
The bus.
School bus?
Do you want it to have big tires?
School bus. Okay, we'll try to draw like your school bus. Yeah. It's Connor's school bus.
Can you make a bus, Connor?
Connor can make the bus.
He's thinking. Bye.
School bus.
This is a scary moment.
All done, Connor? All done?
Not necessarily. Let's see what's happening now.
I can't sit in this chair. I can't get it. Look. Are we all done, Connor?
What is this?
All done.
Two.
Oh, it's a red one. Yeah. It's red.
Where's the purple one?
Papa.
Purple.
Wow, Connor, that's good.
Where's the yellow? Purple. Where's yellow?
Is there a yellow crayon, Connor?
Yellow.
Is there a green crayon? Green.
Where's the orange one?
Orange, good, Connor.